When you reach a certain age, functions such as sight, hearing, and memory begin to fade. This video is one of several I have created to help senior citizens use their computers to make up for these shortcomings. My name is Richard Spring, also known as the Senior Wizard. I hope this video will help you make your life a little easier. The name of this video is Snipping Tool. I'm going to show you what a snipping tool is and how you can use it. This is a tool that Microsoft introduced with the Vista operating system and has been there ever since. Back in the 20th century, before computers and anything else, we had our newspapers, and if you wanted to share a Dilbert comic strip with your brother or some other friend, you got the paper out, you got your scissors out, and you started snipping away with your snipping tool, which back then was a pair of scissors. We slowly and carefully cut the cartoon out of the newspaper, and finally we were able to get it free from the newspaper. Now we need to place it on something that we can hold it with. So let's go ahead and tape it on a sheet of paper. Get some Scotch tape and tape it down. Now we're going to take a highlighter and we're going to highlight a section of it. And then we're going to get a pen, marking pen, and write a little note on here and to tell my brother what we thought about this particular cartoon, and then draw a little arrow up here with the marking pen. Now that we got it prepared, we needed to get it to my brother. He lives about 1,000 miles away. So let's fold it up and let's stick it inside of an envelope. Address the envelope, stick a stamp on it, and throw it in the mailbox for the good old postman to deliver it. And 3 or 4 days later, my brother will get it. Trying to use the same technique on the computer screen using the scissors, it just doesn't work. You can now find Dilbert online at www.dilbert.com. Here's the same cartoon, so let's go to our desktop, then the Start menu, and down the bottom, type in Snipping Tool. Up at the top, a Snipping Tool application shows up, so let's go ahead and left mouse click on it to open it up. Now it goes back to our Dilbert, and you'll notice up in the upper right-hand corner, a small dialog box opens up called Snipping Tool. Let's look at it. Up on the menu bar, on the left-hand side, we have New. That's where you start it. Then there's Mode, where you'll find you have options of freeform snip, rectangular snip, window snip, and full screen snip. By default, the rectangular snip is the one that's selected, so we'll leave it there for now. Now click on the New button to start a new snip. You notice the background kind of washes out. That indicates it's on, and you have a cross instead of an arrow. You click, hold, and drag with your left mouse to select what you want to snip. Now, if it doesn't work the first time, you have to start it over again and do it. But once you have it, let go of your mouse, and it opens up a wider snipping tool dialog box with some tools that you can work with. You have a button that you can customize your pen. You can have a red, blue, black, or a customized pen. We'll go ahead and select the red pen for what we're doing here. We'll check out these other tools in a minute, but for right now, let's go ahead with the red pen. Let's go ahead and write something. Now, it's not too easy to write with this pen, but we'll do our best here. Now let's go back up under the pen and go down to Customize. Here we can choose the width of the marker. We can make it a chisel or a round point, and we can change the color. Actually, we have 16 different colors we can choose from here. We'll go ahead and use the red and make a little arrow here showing we want to indicate what we're talking about. After we do that, we're going to go up on the menu bar and click on the highlighter. Now bring the pen down and mark on the cartoon the area that we want to highlight. If by chance the area is not exactly what you wanted, or if you got too carried away, there's an eraser. You go up there and you click on eraser, and it erases the very last action that you placed on your cartoon. Then you just go back and re-highlight it a second time until you get what you want. After you highlighted it, you can save this to your computer, or you can copy it to your computer's clipboard. If you need to know more about copy and paste, check out my video, Copy, Paste, and More. Once it's on your clipboard, you can open up your email and go over and hit Compose and address your email to whoever you want to send it to. After you've done that, then you want to put in a title or subject for the particular email, so they won't think it's a spam email. And then, after you've done that, we'll go down in the body of the email and select in the blank spot. And then on your keyboard, hold down the Control key and hit the V as in Victor to paste it into the email. And after you paste it, there's your cartoon, highlighted, marked with a marking pen, and it's ready to go to your brother or whoever you want to send it. Go down and hit the send button, and it's electronically on its way. I hope this helps you understand the snipping tool and the difference between the 20th and the 21st century. Now, instead of 3 or 4 days, it's instantaneously in your brother's inbox. The snipping tool is a very handy device that you can copy recipes, pictures, articles, anything you want to save or send to your family members. So try it next time. The more you use it, the easier it'll become. If you like these videos, please subscribe. My YouTube channel is free. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button below. Leave a comment down below in the comment sections to help me improve. Let me know what you'd like to see in a future video. Remember, seniors are the ones that created Shake, Rattle, and Roll. Bye for now.